Okay.
ఒకసారి నాకు రివైజ్ చేయండి సార్ ఎప్పటి వరకు
Okay, okay, sure. I will revise that concept. No problem. Yeah, my screen visible or not? Please let me know.
ఓకే యా సార్ ఇట్ ఇస్ విజిబుల్
Visible, right? Okay. Okay. So today we can discuss to that Java basics, guys. Right? So first of all, Java basics, what we have to learn and how we can create a class, and what is the technical definition of that class, and what Java class can contain, and how we can implement. There is a types of variable, types of method, types of constructor, types of block. So yeah, so how we can implement and how we can run. Then when we are going to implementing, then how my code is compiling, how my code is executing, right? So I will show you that entire thing. So you can check here what is class. What is class?
క్లాస్
Class is a blueprint, right? And
yes sir
class can contain what? What it will be contain? Class can contain what? Types of variable,
variable
variables, and types of methods, and types of constructors, and types of block, right? So this is the technical definition of a class, right? So how we can create a class? How we can create a class, right?
modify class keyword and class name
Yeah, syntax of class. Then you people can check here modifier plus class keyword plus class name, right? This is the three things we need to follow, right? So this is the definition, this is the syntax of that creation of class. By using that above syntax, you can tell me what is that modifier, public is that modifier, how we can create a class, right? Yeah, you people can check. This is the syntax of a class, and this is that how to create a class. About by using that above syntax, can you tell me how we can create a class?
yes sir modifier means public
Yes, public.
and the keyword means class
Excellent.
and this class name means like any object
Any,
object name
yeah, you can give to that any object, right? So I'm going to give into that.
so we should write it in capital letter
Yes, excellent. So this is the way we can creation of that class, right? Public modifier, class keyword, test is that my class name, guys, right? Test is that my class name, right? So what we have to do in that, this is the way we can creating to that class. In this class, what can contain? Tell me. In this class, what we can implement? We can write that types of variable we can write, types of method we can write, Types of constructor we can write. Types of
variable, types of method, types of constructor, types of block.
yes. So how we can define this? I'm going to explain. You people can check here. What is the types of variable? Types of variable is nothing but you can declare to that the variable is nothing but by using to the data types, guys. Right? By using the data types. So you people, yeah. How we can create a variable is nothing but you people can check how variable how we can create a variable is nothing but data type plus variable name plus what guys, variable name equal to variable values. Yes,
Sir, class record of law.
sorry, yes, it is recording.
Okay.
Right, see here, this is the syntax of, yeah, this is the syntax of that creating a data type variable, guys. This is that way we can create into that variable. This is the this only how types of variable I said you, right? Types of
Okay.
variable. So how we can declare that variable is nothing but data type plus variable name equal to values. So by using to that above, this is the syntax of that creating what, guys, types of variable. This is the syntax.
Types of variable.
Yeah, this is the syntax of creating a variable. Syntax of creating variable. Creating a variable. Right? So how I'm going to give it, how I'm going to creating to a table, this is the syntax. Data type, variable name, values. So guys, yeah, you can, yeah, that data, yeah, variable name is that how we are going to give it to that class name, same as like we can give that variable name. And data type, already there is a in Java having to the two types of variable name. Guys, you no need to confuse data type. There is a separate concept is there. That data type concept we can declare very briefly. Okay. So how I'm going to give in data type is nothing but I'm going to give into that int is a data type. Okay. There is a data type, two types of data type is there. Primitive data types. Primitive data types again comes in divided into 8 types. That is byte, short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean. Right? 8 types are divided. So I'm going to using which data type here? Int. Right? After that, what we need to do? Yeah, what is that next? Data type plus
variable name.
Variable name. I'm going to give into that variable name as a. And what is next?
Value.
Value equal to value. I'm going to give into that value as a 10. Guys, this is the way we can creating a variable. This is the simple or not, guys? This is the simple or not? How we can creating the table variable data type plus variable name equal to value. This is the int is a data type, a is a variable name, guys. You should be remember it. A is a variable. How we are going to identify that
variable character types like alphabet variable.
yeah, you can give to that anything, guys. Instead of this, you can give that number.
Okay.
Or else this is that you can give a or b or c or b d or e
Any
or
name also we can give to.
yeah, you can give anything. Or else you can give the rule number. You can consider as this is that rule number. You can give to,
I have a doubt.
yeah.
Variable name we should give space or not?
Yeah, after data type we should be give that space. After that we can give that variable name.
Okay.
Right? Int variable name, this is that value. This is the way we can declaring to that variables, guys. Right?
Oh.
Yeah. So this is the way we can define to that variable. Guys, tell me how we can define to that variable. How we can create a class? Tell me first.
Class is a function of class means we can use modifier like
Yes.
keyword
Yes.
plus class name.
Yes. Same as like.
Modifier and Keyword should be in small letters. Class name should be in capital letters. After that, open braces. After that, types of variables.
Yes.
In types of variables, syntax will be data type
Yes.
with variable
Excellent.
equals to value.
Excellent, guys.
Data type means int, main, char, and etc. Variable means we can give any name or any character in variable name.
Yes.
In value, any value we can enter, and after that, so what is this called?
Semicolon.
Semicolon.
Yeah.
Semicolon.
Yes. This is the way we can create a variable, right?
Okay.
Yeah. See here how I am going to creating to that data type variable is that data type plus variable name equal to value. So there is a, you people can check here. This is the types of variable I said, right? But which type? What are the types is there? What are the types of variable is there? How many types of variable is there? Guys, the variables are divided into three types. How many types?
Three types.
Three types that a variable is there. That is what, guys? Static variable, non-static variable, and a local variable. Okay. Yeah, you should be remember these things. So this is that no, local variable also is there. Local variable we can where yeah, it is. I'm already given to that. There is a three types of variable is there. That is static variable, non-static variable,
non-static and
local variable, right? So that guys, I will explain to that each and everything. What is local variable? What is non-static variable? What is static variable? I will explain you. But before that, you should be remember how we can creating a variable. You should be remember this syntax. Then if example if you want, then you can do write this like this only. Data type and any reference variable name, and you can give that values, right? Can you tell me any others how we can create other variable? Int a equal to 10, like that. Can you create one more variable? Int b equal to
equals to 15.
yeah, you can give to that anything. 15. Can you create one more variable?
Int b equals to
Yes.
25.
Yeah, you can give that any values, right? This is the way we can create into that variable, right? So how many variables we can create? How much you want, you can create. See, there is a requirement is there, guys. I want to declare a variable from one. I want to store that variable from 1 to 10, right? This is that my requirement, guys. Store or else create a variable 1 to 10. Then how to we can create, guys? A equal to I'm going to give in 1. B equal to I'm going to creating 2. Right? D equal to I'm going to creating 3. Now tell me.
Sir, here we can repeated numbers in ABC.
No, variable name should not be duplicate. Variable name values you can give that duplicate.
Oh.
Right? 4 I'm going to defining here.
Yes, sir.
Int a equal to 5. Int f equal to 6, right? Int. Okay, guys, I'm going to define to that 1 to 6. You can assume like that only. How many variables you need to require, you can declare like how many you have to require. Okay, this is the way we can creating a variable, guys. This is the way we can creating a variable, right?
Sir,
Yeah.
Here we are writing as creating variable 1 to 6.
Yes.
we can call that line like comment.
Yeah, this is a single line comment. I'm going to comment this line, right? So what I'm going to give in here, I will implement it in Eclipse also. I will show you that. Okay. So first of all, this is the basics. After that, today and tomorrow, basics we can discuss. After that, I will implement in that application in where in Notepad. And yeah, Notepad, how it is going to compiling that code, how it is going to checking the running that application, and what is that compiler can do, what is JVM can do. I will explain you that. Okay. So first of all, you should be, there is a types of variable, types of method, types of constructor, types of block. You should be remember it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So there is a, I said you that there is a types of variable. How many types of variable is there? Three types of variable. Three. Yeah, three types of variable. Three types of variables, right? So first one, what guys?
Static variables.
Non-static. Non-static variable. Second one, what?
Local.
Static variable.
Okay, static.
Third one, what? Local variable. Right? So what is non-static variable, guys? What is non-static variable? See, there is a definition already I have given inside that in my website. So what is that non-static variable? See guys, this is variable is nothing but this only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can copy and you can give. This is that definition of that non-static variable is nothing but you can check here, guys. You can check. This is that A is that variable. What is that variable name here? Tell me. What is the variable name? A. Right? My definition, how I'm going to writing, you can check. A variable, right? A variable which is not declared with what, guys? With static keyword, then we can call what, guys?
Static variable.
Non-static variable. A variable which is not declared with the static keyword.
Oh.
Right? A variable which is not declared with that static keyword, then we can call as a non-static variable. My definition is that very simple. See here, this is that variable. This is that int a is that variable. You can give that instead of a, you can give that what, guys? B also. But B is a variable, right? Variable name only, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'm going to doing here, a variable means B is that variable. A variable which is not declared with that static keyword, then we can call as a what, guys? Non-static variable.
Non-static variable.
Right? So what is that second? This is the static non-static variable. How I'm going to give in this variable is not declared with that any static keyword. That is the reason I'm going to telling this is the non-static variable. Right? So come to that static variable. How I'm going to give a, how I'm going to declaring to the static variable, you people can check here. I'm going to give a declaring to the static variable is nothing but int static. Static is that keyword, guys. Static is that keyword, and I'm going to give an as a k is that variable name, and I'm going to assigning to that some values, guys, here 13 as a value, 12, right? See here, you can check what is the difference between static variable and a non-static variable. What is the difference?
Int plus stat, and we are given 2-digit numbers.
Right. So yeah, when I'm going to checking with that static variable, non-static variable, inside the static variable, there is a static keyword is there, right? Yeah, this is the extra thing is there. Now tell me, read this non-static variable, and you can tell me to that what is static variable now. Definition.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Static variable.
No. First of all, you should be tell you. Yeah. I'm going to saying to that definition. A variable, which is declared with yes, which is declared with the static keyword.
Static keyword. Then we can call it as a static variable.
That's all. Static variable. Right? This is the definition, guys. Right? So very simple. A variable. You can give to that any name. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to give, and this is the string is that a reference variable name. This is that a reference variable name, and I'm going to give into that string here. Right? So now tell me what is string here. Where this is the data type. Name is that variable name. String is that value. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then you can tell me to this what type of variable. If anyone asks, you can identify this is that variable. It is declared with the string, but there is no static keyword. Then we can call what non-static variable. A variable which is not declared with the static keyword, then we can call as a non-static variable. Now tell me, guys. I'm going to define to that one more reference variable string. L name I'm going to give in as last name. Last name equal to I'm going to give in my last name, right? This is that my last name. And now tell me what is that here variable? What is the data type here? String is the data type. Last name is that variable name. Name is that value. How I'm going to assigning to that value as a int value? Same as like I'm going to initializing that value. What, guys? String. This is that value. Right? So yeah, now tell me this is the two types of variable, guys. Static variable and non-static variable. You should be remember it. Right? So local variable we can discuss later, guys. We can discuss later because of local variable we are not declared inside where, guys, inside the class level. We can declare inside that method level only. So when I'm going to complete that method level method, then we can discuss to that local variable. Okay. Yeah. So can we see this is that variable declared inside that Eclipse? We can implement that implementing to that variable concept in Eclipse ID, guys. This is that Eclipse ID. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to create into that project, guys. Previously, I'm going to create into that one project that is Java apps, and in that I'm going to give into that one demo application, guys. Already I shown you, right, how we can implement first application, right? Yeah, today I'm going to implementing first application and what, guys, second application, and what we have to do, how we can implement to that what, guys, variable types of variable, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give in that class name as a apps2 apps2, or you can give that anything, guys. I'm going to give in that class name as a apps2. This is that Java application 2, guys. This is the Java application 2. Okay, or else you can give to that Java apps 2. Java apps 2. You can rename this. Yeah, I'm renamed. So how we can give to that, guys? Inside that class only we can define. This is that static variable and non-static variable, right? This is that static variable and non-static variable. We can define inside where, guys? Inside that class level only. What is that class? This is that class only. Test is that class. Inside that we can write that static variable and non-static variable, right? We can define that. See here. Tell me how we can define to that non-static variable. Tell me what is the syntax.
Non-static variable, sir.
Yes. Data type,
In the
data type,
data type
data type plus variable name
and the value, also value.
equal to values. Right? Come down. Create a variable, non-static variable. Tell me int.
In the
Right?
variable name, like example A
A.
equals to value 10
Excellent. This is the way we can declare.
semicolon.
Right? What type of variable it is? Non-static variable. Non-static variable. Non-static variable.
Variable.
Right? So
Yes.
I'm going to define to that non-static variable. It is done. Right? Now tell me how we can define to the static variable.
Static variable.
Variable name.
Value.
No. First of all, what we have to do? Data types, right?
Data type.
Yes, data types. I'm going to give an int.
Static keyword.
Static keyword.
And variable name.
Variable name B. 20 is that value.
Value. Semicolon.
Yeah. Static. There is a static. Delete this token. Why? Variable. A variable which is static with the yeah. Yeah. So this is that static keyword, variable data type, and variable name. Right? This is that variable, guys. This is that B is that variable.
Yes,
This B variable declared with what keyword, guys? Here.
Static.
Static keyword. That is the reason we can call as a static variable. Now tell me, this is the way variable declared. It is declared with the static keyword. No, right? That is the reason we can call as a non-static variable. Static and non-static, guys. Static variable and non-static variable. Static variable is nothing but very simple. A variable which is declared with the static keyword, then we can call as a static variable. What is non-static variable? A variable which is not declared with the static keyword, then we can call as a non-static variable. Very simple, guys.
So static keyword. Keyword means okay.
Static is a keyword. How we are going to give into that public and class, same as like static also one of the keyword.
Okay.
Here, right? So this is that static keyword. Int is that data type, B is that variable, and 20 is that value, guys.
So why we are giving static keyword here?
By using static keyword, this is the static. You should be right as a static. See here, go and check in your what, guys, website. I think I given you, right? So yeah, where is my Java? See here, I already given you, right? For Java at the rate 1, 2, 3. Yeah. See here, I'm going to give into that keyword concept is there. I said you, right? Keywords.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go and check. There is a static is that keyword is there. You can check where is that static. You can check here. Static, this one. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the static keyword. So this is that word already Java reserved. Java keyword reserved. That is the reason I'm going to using static. Right? After that, what we have to do? We can, yeah, inside that class we can declare variable and method. I'm going to create into that main method. How we can create main method? Tell me.
Main method also divided into two types of static and non-static.
Main method not declared. Only methods declared. Main method is not a part of to that. What, guys? This is that one of the main method. Java can contain main method, right?
Yes, sir. Public static void main string
Excellent.
ARC.
Right. See here, this is that static method. This is that what guys? Main method. What? Where is that main? Sorry.
Shortcut is just by typing.
Main. You should be right to that main guys. MAIN control space.
Control.
Right. So in that what we have to write, we can write as a business logic. This is the SOP statement we can call it. This is second Java, right? So this is the way we can run that application. We can right click, run as Java application. You can check. This is the second Java apps, right?
Sir, 10
Sorry.
In the 21 website.
Yeah. I'm calling to that only. See here. I need to call this variable, guys. I need to call this variable, right? So how we can call a variable is nothing but first of all we need to create a object. Class can contain a what guys? Types of variable, types of method, types of blocks, and types of constructor, right? So and there is a class definition is there and object. What is object definition also is there, guys. You people can check here. I'm going to give into that what is object, right? See here there is a class and this is that object, right? The object is an instance of class. The object is an instance of class, right? It is a entity that have behaviors and state. How I'm going to creating a object? You people can check. Instance of class. I said you right. What is our class name here? Tell me. What is our class name here?
Class name. Yes, sir. This Java.
Java apps 2, right? Our class name. So that object is nothing but a instance of class only. This is that class. How I am going to creating a class object? You people can check how to create a object. How to create a.
Sir, you said that the object is only the class name.
Yes. Instance of class. I said class is a blueprint. Class is a blueprint. Object is a instance of class only. You should be remember. There is a two words I said you. Class is a blueprint. See here. Class is a blueprint. That the blueprint can contain to the technical word guys. Types of variable, types of method, types of constructor and blocks. But come to that object. The object is an instance of class only. How I am going to tell to that instance of class is nothing but you people can check how to create a object. Very simple guys, very simple. What is my class name here? Java apps.
Java.
See here, Java apps. Java apps is that class name only. Yes or no guys? This is the class name, right? So I'm going to give in. How I'm going to give in to that variable name for to that here for to that static variable and non-static variable. We need to give that reference variable of for what guys? For that class. What is that reference variable? You can give the any name. How we are going to give in that any name for that variable? You should be give to that here also. You can tell any name here.
Mouse.
Sorry.
Mouse is MOUS mouse.
No need to give that mouse. You can give that what object or else apps. Right. This is that where this is that reference variable. See here. How I am going to give and this is that variable name. Sorry. This is the data type. This is that variable. This is that value. Right. So this is that class name. Class name. This is that reference variable. This is we can call as a variable name. Equal to what guys? There is how I am going to creating by using there is a new keyword is there guys. This is that new keyword equal to this is the class name we need to give. See here how I am going to under class name. After that we need to use to that open braces, circle braces we need to use, guys. This is the way we can create a object, guys. You, this is the things you should be remember. There is no option. There is no what, guys. Shortcut. We should be create a object is nothing but class name. By using class name, we can create a object by using new operator. We can call as it, this is that new keyword. New also keyword. There is a public is that keyword, static is that keyword, and new also is that keyword. You can go and check in the our website, guys. There is a new also is there. You can check. See here. There is a, where is my new? You can check here, guys.
Here, sir, fourth line, sir.
Fourth line. Where is?
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. This only. Right? This is that keyword. But how we can create a object is nothing but by using new keyword. See here, very simple, guys. How I'm going to creating a class name by using that class name and that reference variable, new operator, new keyword. We can call as a new keyword and that class name, open brace and close brace. This is the way we can create a object. Right? So you can tell me if my class name as a, see here, like that, how many object we can create? You can create multiple object, guys. See here, I'm going to creating to that reference variable as a obj1. This is that reference variable. Like that, you can create multiple, guys. See here, Java apps obj2 equal to new keyword. By using new keyword, we can create a object, guys. Right? And this is the time.
In one program, how many keywords we can use?
Yeah, we can use to that. This is that 53 keyword is there, guys. We can use any keyword. 53 keywords is there, right? So that entire completion of the Java application, Java course, we should be use. This is that keywords. This all are keywords. Based on, yes, yeah, in one application we can use to that all the keywords are, it is depending upon concept only. It is depending upon concept. Okay. Yeah, see here, this is the way we can creating a Java application. This is the creating of a object. See here, guys, this is that I'm going to creating to that class variable, static, non-static variable, static variable, and main method and object I'm going to create. Tell me what is the syntax of object? Syntax of creation of object. Create object. See, very simple. Class name,
Object,
reference variable, we can call as a variable name, class name plus variable name plus and variable name equal to new is that keyword, and this is that yeah, we can call as a class name, open brace and close brace. So what is my here? Class name, open brace and close brace. This is the way we can create. This is that this is the syntax of creation a object. Tell me here, what is this?
class name.
What is this?
Variable.
What is this?
Keyword.
What keyword? New keyword. Okay. And what is this?
Class name, open bracket and close.
Yeah, this is the way we can create. You should be practice it. You should be practice it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what is the purpose of that creation of object is nothing but If you want to call this non-static variable, we have to require create a object. Guys, getting or not it is? Yeah, if I want to use a, or if I want to call a non-static variable, we should be create a class. Then it is possible to call this variable. How I'm going to calling to that variable name? You people can check here, guys. How I'm going to calling? See here, I'm going to writing one of the SOP statement system.out.println. How I'm going to calling? You people can check. This is it. What is this? No, no, no. What is this?
Variable.
Yeah, variable, right? What is my variable name?
Object.
obj1, right? obj1 dot, you should be used to the dot. Then that variable name it will be showing here. What is my variable name here? Non-static variable.
Java.
No, 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 no. Variable name. Variable. What is my non-static variable name? A only, right?
Yes, sir. Oh, okay. Now, where is from, sir?
Sorry.
How it came in, sir?
Yeah. One more time, I'm going to show you. I want to call this. I want to print this variable. How I am going to printing this system? This is that second application. So instead of this text, I want to print this data. Okay. So if I want to print that data, this is that non-static variable. If I want to call a non-static variable, we should be create a object first. Okay.
Okay.
I created object. So after that, what should I to do? I'm going to write into that SOP statement, and by using that reference variable, and there is the reference variable, we should be use dot a. Okay. Yeah. So you can check. I'm going to give into that one more non-static variable int b c b already there. C equal to 30. I'm going to use it. Or else what should I to do? First I'm going to printing this data, guys. I'm going to printing that 10 a value. You people can check. This is that I'm going to printing this data. What is the value it will become?
10.
10. Excellent, guys. See here. It will become as a 10. See, this is second application, means this is that output. It is going to coming first. And what is that second one? SOPL statement dot obj dot a. So what is that value? My 10. Right? So what should I to do? I need to create one more non-static variable, that is int c equal to 30. I'm going to give in. How I need to call that c variable? Tell me.
Sir?
How I to call this variable? C variable, how I can call?
obj1 dot
obj1 dot c. Excellent. See here, if I print, then that output it will become.
technique can have Java.
Yes, that 30 value also coming. Guys, getting or not? If I have to that one more variable int d equal to 50, I'm going to declare it. How I can call that variable? Tell me. SYSO means system dot out dot println. Okay.
Yeah.
obj 1 dot d. Yes. Right.
One has Java application.
Java application. See here, 50 it is going to printing. Guys,
You can write obj for everything, right?
obj.
For everything, for printing.
Yes. Means yeah. So I said you, right? I said you. What is that? There is a JVM is there. I said JVM. JVM is nothing but when I'm going to running this application, run as at that moment JVM it will become and it will be checked. Yeah, what is JVM? I will explain you guys. First of all, you should be remember it. Compiler is there and JVM is there, guys. What is the purpose of compiler and what is the purpose of JVM? I will tell you. You can check. Just a small. I'm going to give into that very simple. So when I'm going to creating a class, when I'm going to create developing a Java application, when I'm going to developing a Java application, so there is a two keyword is there, guys. There is a what, guys? Compiler is there and JVM is there, right? Compiler. See here. This is the compiler and JVM. JVM. JVM stands for the Java Virtual Machine, guys. Compiler is nothing but what compiler will do, what JVM will do, I will tell you, right? So this is that compiler. Compiler is nothing but when I am going to typing the what, guys, program, at that moment compiler will be come. Compiler will become, guys. When I'm going to declare into that what, guys, here compiler will see here. I'm going to creating a public class Java apps 2. Then compiler first of what it will be do, that compiler will become and it will be check. What is the work of compiler is nothing but compiler checking to that grammatical mistake and syntactical mistake.
Okay.
Grammatical mistake and mistakes and syntactical mistake, it will be checked.
Compiler check any mistake is there.
Yes. So when I'm going to writing that public class Java apps 2, then that compiler will be activated and that it will be checked. There is any mistake is there or not, it will be checked to that compiler. Line by line, it is going to checking. There is any mistake is there or not, it will be checked. That keyword is that correct or not, it will be checked. See here, instead of how I'm going to doing public, there is a spelling mistake I'm going to doing. How? Instead of C, I'm going to give into that H. Immediately that compiler throw into that compile time error. There is a red mark, it is going to came, right? Yeah, compiler it is activated. A programmer means we are who are going to writing that. That is that comes under as a programmer. A programmer, you are declaring to that syntactical mistake. Syntactical mistake. Please resolve that. It is going to saying to that. You can check here. Syntax error on token public. We should be used to that public. This is the spelling we should be used, not this. Right? Yeah. So what should I to do? Instead of H, I'm going to use into that what, guys? See. Then my program is compiled what, guys? Fine. There is no error, right? Same as like there is no, that compiler will be checked line by line. Every line it will be checked, guys. Compiler. Okay. First line there is no error. Then that compiler will be come to that next line, guys. Any error is there or not, it will be checked. I'm removing to that. See here, there is a line number 7. I'm going to remove to that a semicolon. Compiler immediately throw that a compile time error. See here, guys, red mark it is going to came. Again, is that compiler saying, this is that compiler is saying to that developer. A developer, you are writing to that declaring that variable as a mistake. Please check that. It is saying to me only. So I need to confirm when I need to see this error and I need to declare what is that error is there. Syntax error, insert a semicolon to complete that clause board statement, right? So I need to use to that semicolon. Then my code is compiled now, right? Same as like compiler will again, it will be come to that next line. Yeah, line number 7 is that there is no error. Come to that, it will be checked. There is a error or not. There is no error. It will be checked line by line. It will be checked, guys. And there is no, it will be come to that next line, guys. This is the next line, right? There is no error. Come to that next line. This is that what guys, main method. Any error is there or not? There is no error. So yeah, if I need to make as a error in that, what should I to do? Instead of main, I'm going to give an what guys. Instead of m, I'm going to give into the t. Right? See, this is that act as a method, but you can check. I'm going to running this application. There is not able to coming as a JVM. Means that method is identified. At that moment, who will come? JVM will become. But what is that error is there? There is no main method. If you write to that, if you are doesn't have to that main method, that JVM will be identified. It's not able to running our application. There is no compile time error, but runtime error it will become. Right? Instead of void, I'm going to give into that word guys t. Compile throwing that error. Right? There is a error is there. You are writing to that instead of v, you are writing to that t. Please avoid that. It is asking to me. Right? Like that compiler will be checked to that every line guys. There is no error. And it will be checked to
Give if you will give a wrong comment, you can comment with give a spelling mistake.
no. If you are writing that spelling mistake inside the comment, it is not able to consider compiler.
Okay.
Compiler, if we are commented a line, that line not able to check compiler. Okay.
Sir, and also it will not open the brace in the first time. Public class Java 2 will not do open brackets.
Yeah, compiler will be checked syntactical mistake or not, it will be checked. I'm going to showing that also. You people can check. I'm missing to that open braces, immediately throwing to that compiler. Compile time error. If it is valid, then that compiler will be checked next line. If you are getting to that error first line, that compiler not move to that next line.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, this is the way that compiler will be checked line by line. Line by line it will be checked. Yeah, there is a error. There is no error. There is also no error. Like that it will be checked. And yeah, line by line it will be checked. There is no error. So any compile time error is there? Compiling. When I'm going to compiling that application, it will be get into that compile time error. But it is there is no error. Right? So yeah, there is no error. I need to run this application. When I'm going to running that application, who will come guys? Who will come? When I'm going to when I'm going to executing this application, run as a, right click run as a and Java application. When I'm clicking onto that Java application, at that moment JVM will be come guys. Who will come? JVM, Java Virtual Machine, guys. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, JVM will become. See, when I am going to clicking to the Java application, JVM will become immediately. See, guys, when I am going to clicking to that Java application, then JVM will become. Yeah, JVM will become, and JVM not able to check line by line, guys. JVM will be not able to check line by line. But JVM, what it will be do? JVM will become, and where is my main method? That JVM will be checked. Where is that my main method? This is that main method, guys. Oh. Right? JVM will be checked to that main method. Compiler will check to that compile term, that syntactical and grammatical mistake that identified to that word, guys. Compiler. But JVM not able to check. Yeah, JVM not able to check top to bottom line by line. But JVM will be checked. Where is the my main method? Main method is there or not? It will be checked. Right? If it is that main method is available, then that next line will be executed. That JVM, guys. Next line will be executed. This is that line. What is SOPN statement I wrote? That is the reason. This is the output came. What is that? This is second application. Guys, getting or not? It is.
Yes, yes.
Right? So that JVM come to that next line, guys. What is my next line? There is no that comment line. It's not able to consider, and it will be checked to that word, guys. What is this? Oh, this is that this is the creation of a object that JVM will be creating this object. How this object will be created? See here. This is that object. How it is going to creating means this is that object, guys. What is the object name here? Variable name. This is
Java.
yeah, obj1. Yeah, obj1 pointing to that reference variable, guys. obj1. Right? This is that pointing to this object. This is that when I'm going to writing that Java apps obj1 equal to by using when I'm going to using this new Java new keyword at that moment that object will be created like that only. No need to confuse, guys. Here I will explain you 3 or 4 times this concept only. 3 to 4 classes I will explain this only. No need to confuse. You will get definitely clarity here. Okay. Yeah. So guys, when I'm going to running that application, who will come? JVM will become or compiler will become?
Compiler.
When I'm going to running that application, who will come?
Running the application, JVM will become.
JVM will become, and what it will be checked?
Main method.
Yeah, main method it will be checked. So main method it will be checked. This is the printing already completion, and object will be created. Where this object created? Like here is that object created. After that, what is the next line is there? System.out.println. What I'm going to writing? obj.a. What is obj? Reference variable of reference variable. This is that reference variable of Java apps 2. This is the class only, right? Instance of this is that instance of what is object is nothing but instance of class only. I said there is a definition is there, right? This is that instance keyword we can call as a instance key we can call as a instance variable or a reference variable we can call, guys. Okay. obj1 dot a obj1 dot a. So when I'm going to using to that obj1 dot a, guys, this is that very important, but no need to worry, guys. Where is my a variable available inside that class? It will be checked. There is a variable available here. That variable can having to the 10 values. That value can available into that this variable. That value can printing here, guys. Guys, getting or not? It is same as like line number 24 also SOP statement. obj1 dot c. Where is my c variable? It will be checked inside that class. This is that c variable. C variable can have into the 30 values. That 30 values available in where, guys? In c variable. So that c value can be printing to that 30, guys. Here. Okay. What is my next line? Next line is that SOP statement. obj1 dot d. Then JVM will be checked. Where is my d variable? D variable available into D variable available here. D equal to 50. Then I'm going to printing that D variable. D value printing to that word, guys. 50. Yeah. So this is the way compiler and JVM will be work. Guys, I will explain you multiple times compiler and JVM. We will talk about that compiler and JVM only. Okay. No need to worry. But how we can create a variable, how we can create a class, how we can create a object, we should be remember. Right? This is the way we can define a Java application. Right? What you have to do first, you create a class, and you can declare to that multiple variables, guys. You can declare how many variable you want to declare. You can declare here. You want to declare that static variable or non-static variable. You can declare anything, right? But
once here we can give the non-static variable also.
Yeah. No. See here, this is the non-static variable I'm going to call in.
The obj1, we can do the non-static variable.
Static variable. This is the static variable. I'm not called here. You people can check.
Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. But see, if I want to call a static variable, you don't use to that reference variable of class object. You can directly call here, guys. See here, system.out.println of. What is my variable name here? Static variable name what?
B.
B. You can use directly B. You people can check. See here, there is no compile time error. There is no error. I'm going to run in this application. What is that D value? Tell me.
D value.
Sorry, B value. B value. I'm going to printing B value, right?
B value 25.
See here, I'm going to running this application that B value 20 will be printing. See here, guys. If you declare to that one more static variable, static int a equal to 60, I'm going to declare. Now tell me how I can call.
So,
how I need to call to that this way e variable.
directly is SOP.
System.out.println of e. Run this application. Two ways we can call, guys. Reference that static variable we can call in two ways. See, this is the one way by using directly variable name. One more way we can call. See here, I'm going to calling that one more way. See, system.out.println. What is my class name here? Tell me.
Class name Java.
See here, I'm using to that class name is that Java apps 2 that there is a variable name. It will become what is that my static variable name here? B is there and E is there. You can you can call to that BRE. You people can check here, guys, that 2 times static variable will be executed. B value can contain to the 2020. It will become 2 times. See here.
Yes.
How many ways we can call? No, there is a optional, guys. We should be use how many ways we can see. There is for you can think as a real time. Java is that real time things, guys. Everything. What is that? What is Java is what is object is nothing but what we are going to seeing in the world. That is living or non-living object. Everything comes under what, guys? Object only. That definition we already completed, right? But you people can check here. You have a nickname or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
You have a nickname. How many names you have?
2 names. Sir.
2 names.
And 1 real name.
Yeah. So if anyone call to that Kirti, then you will come. And other you have a other name, right? What is your other name? Nickname?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If anyone call to that name also, you can go, right? So there is a two names having to that you only. Same as like static variable also we can call it two ways. That is that simple only. How that you have to that two nicknames. Same as like here also we can call as a two ways. That is that very simple. By using that reference variable, by using that directly variable name, by using to that class name dot variable name.
Yes.
Right? So this is the way we can call to that variables, guys. Very simple. You should be practice static variable, non-static variable, and creation of object, guys. You should be do it. Then see here, guys. See here, I'm going to removing to that entire thing here. I'm going to removing that entire thing. Any compile time error is there?
No, sir.
No. See how it is going to come to that compiler me inside that Eclipse. when I'm going to typing, at that moment compiler will become. See here, I'm going to give into that int. Instead of int, I'm going to give into that k. At that moment, that see here, there is a error already given me, right? So that compiler always active here when I'm going to typing a program. Compiler always active here, right? Int a equal to 10 I'm going to give in. See here, compiler will be checking. There is, I'm going to remain to that semicolon. Compiler throw into that compile time error, right?
Yes.
So this is the way we can what guys, compiler will be always active inside that where guys, Eclipse ID,
Yes.
right? So this is the application. It should be practice guys. Static variable, non-static variable, and creation of that object. Okay. Tomorrow we can go to that word guys. We can go to that there is a types of methods is there.
Method.
Yeah, types of methods is there, and we should be declare local variable. You should guys, I'm already given to you. There is a definition also very simple in my website. You can go and check. You can go
So
and
how can open the how to open the website? It is not coming through.
see here. I'm sharing to that website link here. Already I shared, I think.
So, but it is not getting open. It is showing another interest. That's one it is coming.
See here. See, this is the link. You can open your system. Open. Open or not. You can click on that link. That's all. It will be open.
Okay.
It is open or not.
I will try it for today.
No. I given you that link, right? In
Yes.
chat box.
Yes.
You can click on that.
Then we can it should be open. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
You can click now. Then it is open or not. Please let me know now.
Oh, wait. Sir. But here just today coming course of concept. Okay.
Yeah. Core Java. We are discussing about only core Java only, right?
Sir, notes is same.
It came right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm giving you to that there is a what guys definition. You should be remember this definition. What is class and what we can declare. How we can create a method. How we can create a static variable. How we can declare a. See, this is the definition I'm given. Very simple. A variable which is declared with the static keyword is called static variable. Non-static variable. A variable which is not declared with the static keyword is called non-static variable. Right? What is local variable? A variable which is declared inside that static method or non-static method or constructor, we can call as a local variable, right? So that method concept we can go through tomorrow class, guys,
Okay.
right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, guys. We will see tomorrow.